Hello everyone. So today we're going to be doing example 2 from our notes, which is a related rate with Pythagorean theorem. Our question says a boat is being pulled into a dock by means of a winch 12 feet above the deck of the boat. Suppose the winch pulls in the rope at a rate of 4 feet per second. Determine the speed of the boat when there's 15 feet of rope. So I'm just going to redraw it so it looks a bit nicer than that picture. Our dock is 12 feet high and that's a fixed number. So our h value is going to be 12, or our height value. Since that's a fixed value, our rate is 0. I'm going to label the horizontal value as x. I don't know that so far, but I know that I am looking for dx over dt because it's asking for the speed of the boat when there's 15 feet of rope. I also have a value y, that's going to be the length of the rope. And our dy over dt is the speed that's changing, and it's given here. It says in the question that it's 4 feet per second. The most important part about this is that I need to make it negative because it's decreasing. So as it's decreasing, my rate needs to be negative, and that's for all related rate problems. So we can just start setting that up, and in doing that, we're going to use Pythagorean theorem. So I have a triangle with side lengths h and x, and hypotenuse y. So this is my Pythagorean theorem. And if I fill in my 12 for h, since that is a fixed value, I get this equation here. So this is what I'm going to differentiate. So in doing that, I know the derivative of 144 is 0 because it's a constant term. I know the derivative of x is 2x dx by dt. And I know the derivative of y is 2y dy by dt. So I can start filling in my unknowns. In my question it says determine the speed of the boat when there's 15 feet of rope out. That means my y is equal to 15. So I can fill that in. So I have 2 times 15. I know dy by dt is -4. And then I have these two values over here. I don't know my x value yet, but I do know two sides of my triangle, so I can solve for it. I know that this is 12 and I know that this is 15. So if I did Pythagorean theorem for this, I would have 12 squared plus x squared is 15 squared. 144 plus x squared is 225. And then if I solved that all the way, I would get x equals 9. So now I can fill in that x value. So I have 2 times 9 times dx over dt would equal to -8 times 15. And then moving everything around, I will get dx over dt equals -8 times 15 over 2 times 9. So I'm getting rid of these numbers in front of my dx by dt. And I'm going to simplify it. So 15 over 9 is 5 over 3. So my answer is -20 over 3 feet per second. Now you might be asking, why is it a negative number? Does it make sense that it's a negative number? So if I go back up to my image, I can see that it's being pulled in. Whenever something is decreasing, I know that it needs to be negative.